Hello there and welcome to another Python tutorial by AITechEX. In this video, I will discuss about class. What class is, how you can create class and how you can use that. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what is class? Well, class provides a means of bundling your data and function together. It groups similar variable and similar type of variables and function together. Class is made of two things. First one is type and methods. I will show you what those are when I will show you example. Let me show you an example. To declare a class, use class keyword and your class name. In my case, I will name it coin. Okay, and then just colon. In here, you can declare a variable or function. Here, I'm declaring a variable shape that's round, and another variable color is, let's say, gold. Okay, so these two are states which are in our class coin. Okay, and let me define some methods which are function, you can say function in this class. You can normally define it def, and let's say describe is my function, describe, and you see whenever you will create a function, it will by default get a value self, which means it will use all the values from the class. I will explain you later on this. Just have a look at this program right now. Let's say it will print some value. That's coin properties. So are what are coin properties? Those are, let's say, first shape. Okay, and shape is, you have to use self to use any of the declared variable to use in your function. So here I have used the self. This means it will get all the value from this its own class, and here self dot shape means it will get value from its own class, which variable is shape. Okay, so hope you understand what self does. And another thing is color. Coin shape is, coin properties are shape, this one is shape, and color would be something, let's say self dot color. Okay, so this will do work for us. It will describe our coin which we have created and give some property here. Okay, let's move on to next. Oops, I forgot plus here now. And let me create another function that rust, def rust rust self. And so when the coin is rusted, its color will be changed to some greenish. So I write self dot color is equal to greenish. Okay, and it will print coin is rusted. Okay, so here we have created our class, and it has two states which are this, and two methods which are here. Okay, to use the class, you have to use objects. So object is a copy of class, and you can add or change data of that particular object which we have created as per your requirement. So object is a copy of a class and it behaves independently. Okay, so create object, give your object a name and is equal to sign and your class name, that's coin, and parenthesis. This will create an object of a coin c1. Okay, but when you run this, it won't give any output because our c1 is a coin. It's created, this is object, and it has these two parameter, which is round shape and gold color. Okay, so to describe this, we have to use describe function which we have created here. To use this function, use c2 your, so c1 your object name dot def function name, which is describe. So this will use this function and it will describe its data. Let's run this. See, Coin properties are shape round and color gold. That's it. And let's create, let's use Rust. That's c1 dot Rust. Okay. So when I run this, it will say coin is rusted and its color would be greenish. So if I will use c1 dot describe again, its color would be changed and its color is greenish. See here, first color, this coin has a gold color, then our coin is rusted, and now it has greenish color. Now let's see if I create another object like c2 dot is equal to coin. Okay, and let's check its properties. c2 dot describe, and let me put, okay, let's run this. See, let me show you everything here. This is our first coin. Coin properties are round and gold. Then our first coin is rusted and its shape is round but color is greenish. This is our second coin, c2. Its color is gold because it is not rusted yet. So by using this class, we can use create as many coin as we want, and we can change its attribute and its other states as per our requirement. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. If you have any queries or suggestion, please comment in comment section below. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.